Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Jaguar. This four-door sedan has a 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Jaguar is a great value with less than 21,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city, and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include cold climate package, XM satellite radio, automatic climate control, Bluetooth, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, moonroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, and traction control. Call 401-885-5355 to schedule a test drive and learn about our guaranteed financing options. Come in and see why we were awarded Dealer of the Year for 3 consecutive years in a row.